one I called ever from the beginning. Yes. Was it? I don't know. Put a screwdriver. Here. Where should I put it? The fourth one sounds funny. What? The fourth one. Yeah. The fourth one is one that sounds funny. I'm not so sure.
You have a low battery.
This one seems to have enough wobble. Got an individual spark plug. If you take it out, does it still have the click?